Morning, y'all. I'm so tired today. We're headed off to the spa, the Senses Spa over at Grand Floridian. Taking a little girl time, a little relaxed time before the retreat kicks into high gear, which is gonna be just a second here. So excited for this. Probably won't be able to take too many pictures because you're inside a spa. But we're gonna have fun. I was up super late last night just doing the 18,000th revision on the presentation, as I tend to do, to try to make it perfect. But at any rate, let's go have some fun. Hey guys, we made it over to the Grand Floridian, heading over to Senses to go to the spa. So if you're going to the Senses, you have to actually go to an outer building. You want to go to the main level of the Grand Floridian and follow the covered patio until you run into the spa. So that's what we're gonna do now. Let's take the birdcage elevator. It looks like over here at the Grand Floridian, they've taken down all the Christmas decorations over here. So we've been seeing Christmas decorations around the park, all the parks, but slowly things are kind of disappearing. So in years past, they've never been up this long, so it's been kind of fun. All right, I think we found the pathway. All right, we've successfully found the path, so we're just gonna follow the signs over to Senses. Here's the first one. Straight ahead. Wedding pavilion's that way, where I got married 15 years ago. I have such sentimental value when it comes to the Grand Floridian because we got married here. I just love it. I will say the monorail was pretty busy this morning. Hey, speaking of which, got a little peekaboo there. All right, let's go get this spa. We're gonna go rest, relax, rejuvenate. Let's go. Like these little rocking chairs, like you can come and relax on the patio. Hey guys, so I just got done with my massage at Senses Grand Floridian and it was amazing. I have to say I got the aromatherapy massage with the reflexology add-on for my feet, and I feel like because I picked the reflexology add-on, I got the masseuse that is an expert at reflexology. So not only did I have aromatherapy, she used reflexology like on my body. I feel amazing. Like, I am ready to conquer the world, inspire some people, change some lives, which is awesome, because that's why I came today. My team's coming in later today, and then tomorrow I have a whole bunch of travel agency owners coming from all around the country, and we are doing our annual Gold Digger Conference. So that was part of my recharge and mentally focusing and just being ready so I can be present and be on and change some lives, right? So, but I have a couple tips on Senses for you guys. If you guys are thinking about coming to Senses, a couple things that you should know. First thing is, it's amazing. You really need to book your appointment, I would say almost a month in advance. I booked this appointment 2 weeks ago and I wanted to add on a facial, and I could not get in for that. So it was kind of last minute. We were going through the schedule. Normally I do stuff more in advance, but if you guys are coming and it's something that's really on your checklist to do, I would say a month in advance. And if you're coming with someone, like your daughter, if you're bringing your daughter along, or you're attending for a wedding, they do a lot of weddings at the wedding pavilion at Grand Floridian, so the spa is very busy, and it was marathon weekend this weekend, so I'm sure people were adding on those reflexology foot massages after that big marathon. So, but book it in advance. The other thing that I'll say is you really don't need to bring much. If you're going directly to another appointment after this one, like I am, I have meetings this afternoon. So I just brought like my little makeup kit to do my makeup, and that was fine. I mean, they had toothbrushes, toothpaste, lotion, shampoo, everything else that you would need, slippers, towels, all the normal stuff. They even had toothbrushes, mouthwash. I mean, it's the Grand Floridian spa. So I go to spas all over the world, some great, some not great. And this is definitely a wonderful experience. I would highly recommend it. The other thing I want to talk about just for a second is sometimes people don't go to the spa because they're nervous about the robes. Are they gonna fit? I'm a full figure lady. I make no qualms about it. And so I used to call and ask ahead of time, and I didn't do that this time. But some people get nervous, like, is the robe gonna fit? Because I have been at spas where the largest size they have is large, like small, medium, large. And if you're not that, like, you're like, what do I do? Walk around naked? I'm definitely not gonna do that, right? So I'll say it was kind of a neat experience. When I checked in, they kind of size you up at the front desk without even saying anything, so you don't even really need to ask if you're shy about that. They're just gonna take a look at you, and then they're going to go to a locker that has your size robe in it. And there's two, the lady told me, because I asked her, I just wanted to know for information purposes. She said they have two sizes, so they have kind of a size that's like from extra small up to like that regular large, and then, oh, there goes the monorail. I love being on these monorail hotels because it's just so fun. You're in the middle of the action. So the first size is kind of like everything from extra small up to large, and then they have from extra large to 5X is the next robe size. So it was plenty huge and extra, very comfortable. So if you're worried about that, don't let that hold you back from booking an appointment at Senses. And kudos to Grand Floridian for doing it in a way that makes everyone feel comfortable. A lot of people aren't comfortable about asking, so that's a great thing to be aware of. You don't have to worry about that. The other thing is, make sure you schedule some time after your treatment, or plan to be here at least 30 to 45 minutes after your treatment, because they want you, especially if you do aromatherapy, they want you to sit with the oils on for about 20 minutes to get the maximum benefit. And then you want to have time to shower, and also after your treatment you get a complimentary wine or champagne. They have kind of a drink menu that they'll give you, but you can't get that till after your service because it's not good for you. When they're giving you a massage, they're moving energy through your body, and it's just not good to have alcohol in your system prior to your treatment. But after, it's fine. The other thing is, schedule time either before or after if you want to take advantage of the steam room and those cool like heated seats that you see. If you haven't, I'm gonna pop a picture in here so you guys can see them. And normally they have a hot tub open. I was really bummed because it was closed today, and that's one of my favorite parts because it's a, you know, private little hot tub. It's not like at the resort with a million kids. But unfortunately that was closed today. So overall, had an amazing visit at Senses, you guys, and if you're thinking about doing this, don't hesitate. I've had an appointment booked here at least 3 or 4 times, and I always cancel it because the kids are like, no, let's do this tomorrow, let's do that. But if you've been following along on the channel, you know I am here on a solo trip, so I'm getting to do everything that I want to do on my terms. And also, it's really important just to take time for yourself, especially if you are working, or it's just important to take time for yourself anyway, right? We train in our programs, you cannot pour from an empty vessel. If you want to serve your clients at the highest level, if you want to serve your family at the highest level, self-care is not selfish. It's something you need to do to operate at your maximum. So I'm getting ready to go into conference and motivate and inspire and shake things up for these travel agency owners that have trusted me with their time and their money to come to this conference, and I'm ready for it, especially after today. And even in the aromatherapy, the lady was asking, she said, what kind of oil do you want? This one will relax you and this one will get you energized. I said, double up on the energized, because we're gonna get to it. And I feel great. I feel like I want to eat a salad, do some yoga, and freaking change your life. So at any rate, journey to gold digger, hashtag gold digger, and we're gonna go get it. If you guys haven't already checked out our website, go to careersonvacation.com, and there's more information there if you are aspiring to be an amazing travel agency owner and grow and scale your business. There's all kinds of cool stuff over there to help you. So I'm gonna go to the salon next, get my hair done, and then boom, we are getting into conference. Okay guys, I just got my blowout done at the spa. What y'all think? Pretty? They did a great job. It's so funny, like what a small world. Our my hairdresser, my stylist, if you will, was from Michigan, which is where I'm from originally, and she lives in Florida now. I live in Austin now, so we had some great conversation. But I am getting ready to go hop the monorail and head over to the Contemporary, where we are doing our conference prep, meeting with my team and the conference team there to get the Gold Digger kicked off. So excited. I'll see you guys over there. Bye. It just occurred to me I didn't schedule lunch for myself today. This is my life every day. I forget. I'm gonna have to stop and grab something somewhere. But right now we got about 30 minutes to get over to Contemporary, so we'll do that first. We'll figure it out, I'm sure. We're going up in the birdcage elevator. So fun. Hopefully there's not a big line for the monorail. I do have my purse with me today, which means we're gonna have to stop and go through bag check. I hate bag check. So pretty, look at the lobby. The atrium. If you guys haven't stayed at Grand Floridian, check out our videos on that, because it's amazing. Oh good, bag check looks like it's gonna be a breeze today. Okay guys, we made it to the Contemporary. Here's my favorite, the Mary Blair wall. So pretty. We'll get some more pictures later, but right now we're headed to our conference and prepping for that. So we'll take a walk around a little bit later. Okay, so if you haven't been to the conference center before, if you're coming for a conference, just keep riding the escalators down until you get there. Hopefully we'll have some time to check out some of my favorite shops here. And I still have not located lunch yet. I forgot in my awesome planning with my massage and hair appointment and meeting stuff we have to get done for Gold Digger. I forgot to schedule a luncheon for myself, so at some point we'll have to stop somewhere. So, but for now, let's head down to the conference center and see what's going on so we can prep for Gold Digger, hashtag Gold Digger, hashtag COB Gold Digger.